that guy. But I was like, rain? What? What's happening? Interesting. Hey, what's up everybody and welcome back to another awesome video. And yeah guys, today's video is pretty weird. So I'm starting here in Dubai. As you can see from, I have a beautiful, gorgeous view from my balcony. And I'm starting this video. This is gonna be like a, I would say a time-lapse video. Jump from one thing to another, and then from US to Dubai, and then from this point to that point. Generally weird, damn. So we'll see how it's going to come out. So first things first, I'm gonna start this video with some couple of clips that I didn't show you since the USA trip, and yeah, I'm gonna just play it for you. Videos from me fishing, what fish we caught, and yeah, it was crazy. Smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn your post notification to be on notification squad, because you wanna stay tuned for this awesome videos. Yeah. Cowboys, look at that. It's proper raining. You don't get to see that in Dubai. Oh my god. Jeez. The roads are flooded. Oh, people are angry. Streets. Water, go down. Then we jump in towards the Halloween part. Yeah, there was Halloween in Dubai, but there was really nothing happening in Dubai actually, so I'll be explaining there. And it was so weird. We just went out with Mohammed. The ladies in the taxi looking at Mohammed like, because he drives an R8, Audi R8. Who doesn't want to see an Audi R8? And it was so weird, like they were staring at us to the point like I felt like I was in the zoo. I was like, I was being watched like I'm like freaking some celebrity, and they were like, oh, that guy, that one, yo. And it was so weird, so enjoy the clips right now. Oh, what's up everybody, and welcome back to another awesome video.
Hey lad.
Okay.
In the middle of the process.
Bro, damn. Okay guys, today is 31st of October, but today is Wednesday, so there's barely any parties going on around Dubai. So like we're dressed up like we're going to Halloween, or you know. You look ridiculous, man. Damn. Damn boy.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
But don't put flash.
Okay, no, it's not flash.
See them?
Look at see you. Mohammed, do you like the ladies in the taxi?
As long as they're blonde, they're good, man.
She saw it, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, she saw it. The monkey man. Woo! Damn boy, this is delicious. Wow. Mohammed is so happy. Then we randomly jumped to a desert place. You can see yourself like they brought sofas, there's tables, they had their own place in the desert. So just a short.
Yeah. Wow, girls.
قوسين بعد قوسين موجود هنا الشارع هو الحبل هذا قلت حق فوق لا تخاف انا بطلعك.
How does it feel, Mohammed, in the desert? Damn. It's like they brought the small mini house outside. Majid! Jumping to the next point, Mohammed got a new car. It's BMW 7 Series. It's incredible. So it's just so weird. We're trying to jump from Halloween to the desert, from US to a BMW new car. Yeah, hopefully you enjoy. Let me know if you want to see like a full video review of the car. We've been using it for a while, so well, we found out some new things about the car. Maybe gained some more new information about the car, and yeah. If you don't know, Mohammed, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you, man.
He just bought this beautiful BMW 7 Series. Wait, let me jump to the back so I can feel like Ah, forgot. Damn. It's a beautiful BMW 7 Series. Damn. Hello, sir.
No, it's up.
How don't?
Like to go.
Anyway, sir. Nice. Mohammed, you're so far. Why are you so far? Yo, they have the mirror, this thing. Damn. To make up. Oh, wait, for my makeup. This car suits you, Mohammed. Just, it's not for all people. I understand this is 7 Series, like made for comfort. Yo, they have.
You wanna feel like this? Like
Yeah, comfortable.
You wanna feel sporty and things.
Yeah. This is for what? What? Even more leg space now. This is incredible.
And then there's
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mama, you're so far, bro.
Yeah.
Look, I'm almost full in the camera. So much space. Look, this is. How do I show him? I'm almost 190. 190 for feet, bro. This is crazy.
Lego.
You can literally sit down here and just start. I feel like a VIP guest. You know what I'm saying? Damn, 160 already, bro. Crazy. The brakes compared to the R8, little softer, but still, like it's really strong, right?
Yeah, it's a bit softer.
Wild animal has been spotted in his natural habitats. How are you, Mohammed? Damn. Wow, this car is beautiful. What do you think, Mohammed?
You're not gonna see the car. That's
I'm a Russian spy, excuse me.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Opposite sides, how are you going to control it?
That's the whole point.
What? You got? Why are we going on someone?
Okay. I'm standing now. No, okay.
Let's go.
Okay. Ah! Okay.
Well, it's harder from my side. Okay, let's go straight.
Straight? Okay, forward. And the most recent event was the storm in Dubai. It wasn't actually a storm. It was small rain in Dubai. It was cloudy, you know. But for people that live in Dubai, it was something major. Because once in a lifetime, for 5 years, there was no rain at all in Dubai. So this was like a pretty darn event. Like for other countries, probably nothing. Literally, it happens every day. Dubai was like, rain? What? What's happening? Interesting. Hey yo, what's up everybody? And yeah, I feel like I did this in Houston, Texas already, but as you can see behind me, well, it's not kind of a storm in Dubai again. It's just a little raining, and the weather is kind of moody today. So as you can see, there's fully dark sky, and as you can see, there's a little bit of fog. Alright guys, lately I've been noticing that I was filming a lot of natural disasters, and well, the storm doesn't really count as natural disaster. It usually happens, and yeah, I never mentioned it happening in Dubai. Look, as you can see, it's kind of the weather kind of looks like a storm. As you can see, some areas of this place is flooded. As you can see where the taxi passed by, that's the water, and that's water over there. That place, I just went downstairs to get some groceries for me, and yeah, that place is slippery. I almost fell and hit my head over there. There's way more water over there. Yeah, just generally the Sheikh Zayed road is not flooded, but just like as you can see there, it's all wet on the road, everything, and just like a small rain passed by. It's not a huge storm, it was like lighting, and that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. It was pretty well, I would say I would say it's pretty unique. I never seen something like this. Smash the like and subscribe to my channel next time, and my battery is flashing, so I gotta go. See you next time. Peace. Woo!